Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare quinoa with vegetables. First, let's get started with the quinoa itself. Always rinse your quinoa well under cold water before cooking. This removes any bitter saponin coating. Then combine 1 part quinoa with 2 parts water or broth in a pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork. Now let's talk about the vegetables. Choose a colorful mix of your favorites like bell peppers, zucchini, or broccoli. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly. You can roast them in the oven with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, or sauté them on the stovetop until they are tender crisp. This step adds wonderful flavor and texture to your dish. Once your quinoa and vegetables are ready, it's time to bring them together. Gently combine them in a large mixing bowl. This is where you can really customize the flavor. Add fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, a pinch of your favorite spices, or a light vinaigrette. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also brighten up the entire dish, making it taste incredibly fresh and vibrant. Mix everything well. Your delicious quinoa and vegetable dish is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm as a satisfying main course, or as a flavorful side dish alongside your favorite protein. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It makes for a fantastic meal prep option. Remember to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener and other helpful resources for your kitchen adventures. Enjoy your healthy and tasty creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.